Welcome to Shanti-Peace for Mathematics. In this video, we are discussing this problem of Maxima and Minima, that is, find the three positive integers whose product is 64 and sum is minimum. So this is a kind of application for extremum values. Here the problem is given is there are three integers you need to calculate or you find out whose product is 64. Let's say that three integers are x, y and z. So suppose that three integers are x, y, z. So given that the product is 64 and you need to calculate the product is 64 but the sum of this number should be minimum. So I am defining the function f of x, y, z right now, which is x plus y plus z. I want that this function gives you minimum value. Now due to this x, y, z is equal to 64, we'll have z is equal to 64 by xy. Since these are the positive integers, there is no chances that this xy is 0, and due to this also we can say that xy z is 64. So all these three numbers are non-zero, so that's why we can divide. And if I substitute this value here, then this function is converted into two variable function. So I am just denoting that new function is g of xy, which is x plus y plus 64 by xy, by putting the value of z as 64 by xy. Now the question is to calculate at which point this function gives you minimum value. So as you know that the working rule to find out the minimum function, first step is to calculate. Those who have not come across the situation how to calculate the minimum and maximum here, you just watch my previous video which are available in the icon button and come back to this video, you will understand more. So first let us have the function g, which is given as, or which we have calculated as x plus y plus 64 by xy. Now the first step is to calculate what is the gx, which is a partial derivative of this function, which is 1 minus 64 by x square y, and gy will have 1 minus 64 by x y square. To calculate the stationary points, we need to start with gx is 0 and gy is 0. So therefore it is 64 by x square y will be 1 and 64 by xy square is also 1. So if you simplify this to quantity, we'll have x square y is 64 and xy square is 64. Now we need to solve these equations. Since this is 64, this is also 64, we can write this is x square y is equal to xy square. So that's why we'll have x square y minus xy square is 0. You just note that this xy is common out, we'll have x minus y equal to 0. So now there are three possibilities here. The first possibility is x is 0. The second possibility is y is 0. Or third possibility is x is equal to y. Now x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is not possible, because your x, y, z are the positive integers. So this value is not possible, this is also not possible. So only possible value is x is equal to y. And therefore, if x is equal to y and we have this equation x square y is equal to 64, this will give you x cube is equal to 64. And therefore, x will be 4. So what is the possible stationary point? The possible stationary point is 4, 4 because x is equal to y. Now we need to calculate what is fxx. We have already calculated what is fx. Fx is 1 minus 64 upon x square y. So fxx is minus 64 into 2 upon x cube y, and minus minus become plus. So it is 128 x cube y. What is fyy? Fyy we have calculated 1 minus 64 xy square. So that's why it is 128 upon xy cube. And what is fxy? Fxy is 64 upon x square y square. Now we need to calculate this fxx, fyy and fxy at this point 4, 4. So that's why we can write fxx at 4, 4, which is 128 upon x cube, that is 64 into 4. That's why it is 1 by 2. fyy, if you can calculate in similar manner, it is also 1 by 2. And fxy at 4, 4 will be 64 upon 4 square into 4 square, which is gives you 1 by 4. And so the value of b you will have, it is fxx into fyy minus fxy square, gives you 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. So that's why it is 4 minus 1 by 16. And so this is 3 by 16, which is positive. And your fxx is 1 by 2, which is also positive. So therefore we can say that f has minimum at the point 4, 4, and the required positive integers are 4, 4 and 4, because x is 4, y is 4 and z will have, it is 64 upon xy. So that's why z is also 4. So this integers are 4, 4, 4, which are the required integers. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or question, please drop down in the comment box below. See you next video. Till then, bye bye. Sign.